here we are, dangerously close to being ready to go in the boat. Quite a lot of plumbing though. We moved all the ancillaries to the top of the engine so that we can do all those from a driving position. Obviously this is the exhaust ready to go off to the condenser and the feed from the boiler. Down here we need to arrange the feed from the hot well for the pumps. We've got the new kettle on the back, and then, as I said, we've got the ancillaries fitted here, the first being the bilge ejector, the second being for the whistle, and then the two at the end to drive the reheater, which we've always had built into the boat but never actually used, and the fourth for the kettle, which has 10mm connections down here. There you go.